We look good.
Yeah, this girl, I should learn a lesson. I'm body bad, looking like a blessing. No.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a short video on bye bye. So I'm going to do a short video on eyeshadow. So keep watching guys. Give you like two shades or two ways to use that we can, go from day to night. Use this duo blush and eyeshadow palette from Zaron, I think in Firecracker, and I'm going to use this Huda Beauty Allure shadow, pressed glitter and pigment palettes that I have. They come with a mirror, so you can easily use that. So I'm grabbing my brushes. This is what I majorly use for all my eyeshadows, my eyeshadow applications. This is what I use. So these ones are from the Makeup Fairy from Instagram. This is from the Zaron Face mini brush set, and this is from the Bobbi Brown brush set I got a while back. So I'm just going to be mixing it up in case you're wondering what I'm using. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab this Zaron fluffy brush. I'm going to use that on to make my crease. This is your crease here, so I'm going to use that on my crease. I'm taking this dark brown here, and I'm going to use it in my crease. Can you see it's so pigmented? You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do that. So I'm going to give you like two shades or two ways to use that we can, go from day to night. So if we're going to do day, if I was going to do a day look, I'm not really looking for anything glam, just a very simple look. I'm going to go into this face powder palette and take a very light shade, that is ZZ60 and ZZ30, and I'm going to pop this here at the center because I'm going for halo, so this works. Then I'm going back with that same brush to use to, smoothen the edges. Going back with more powder. Can you see what I'm doing here? See, this is like a very easy daytime look. It's not cute. I like it. And if you were just to line this and pop on lashes, your face will you look very easy undone, like you've not really worked. And it was just two things I used, powder and a dark brown. So there you have it. Your daytime look is complete. But now I'm going to just line the eye. So what I'm going to use to line is a Zaron pencil in black velvet. Just a very tight lining close to my lashes. Then for the lashes, for my lashes I'm going to be using Too Faced better than sex. Yeah. So I'm going to use the Zaron lash glue and like a lash that I've used a million times, my lashes from Dion Beauty, and I'm going to just apply the glue to the band. I'm going to put enough at the edges and the middle. Get dry. I'm going to clean under my, the excess powder. So from the same powder set I used to, do my lids, I'm going to just clean the excess powder. I took ZZ35 in case you are wondering, and I'm just using that to sweep the excess powder away. I'm going to do a little bit of bronzer. This is the Zickel Glow Kit, and I'm going to use that. Smile just a little bit, another little bit here, just to help my glow. Then my chin, my nose, forehead. I don't really want it to be a lot. So I'm going to now spritz my face with the Kiss Beauty Makeup Fix. What I like to do again is if the with all the powdering and all the spraying, the powder here can get missing, so I like to just remind it what it's supposed to be doing. All right, the same thing here. Add blush because we can. I'm going to use this pink one from this same blush duo, just a little bit to marry the contour and the highlight. So this is what, a day out, going out, and I want to look cute, or maybe like a date, but I don't want to look so serious. This is how it's going to look like. Simple, dewy, nice makeup.
Everybody steady on attacking her. Everybody one ton Benzema.
So I'm just feeling myself here. So now if I was going to turn this to a nighttime look, it is very, very simple. I'm just going to change the color of my shadow and just a little change my lips, just a little brighter, because in the night you need to be popping, you need to be glowing. Shano Wale, that's how the nighttime should be. So we're just going to do brighten it up. So just keep watching to see how we transform this beauty, all these gorgeous nails, to a nighttime look. This pigment palette right here, and go with something very, let's go with this, using my finger. I like this shade, or shades like this, because it complements me. Close your lid, then just pop it onto that same place where you put the powder earlier. Can you see what I'm doing? Just like that, the look is elevated. The same brown, just a little bit of smokiness. Then I'm going to take this shade right here and just pop that to my tear duct or inner corner. So now, because Tayijola Shabe, it's a poju, she have overdo it. Just going to clean up. Go back with the brown. This is way more than I wanted. Can't you see? My eyes are now perping. They are now perping. So now for my lips, just to change how my lip would look, because you know with the night look, your lips have to definitely change, because you can't be wearing the same. You can wear the same nude. I can go out with this nude, but it's not very nighty. So I'm just going to go in with this shade. What's this? This is Luna from Zaron. So, you know, because we have to shine Wale in the night, because you have to, you know, glow and be shiny, I'm going to take more bronzer. Smile. Just a little bit more. So this is the finished look, you know, changing from daytime to nighttime, you know, out with girls or with bae, you know. That's what I'm going to be doing. That's what I'm going to look like. Thank you. I'm so excited. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like. Where's my cup? Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching once again. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
I wanna come and take my time on ya. Your body confirm with your system. Oh my baby, break it down. I say now you way I love you way I trust you know why nobody can do the things you do. So lady, gonna move to your feet, yeah. Oh yeah, Shoki and Al Qaeda, yeah. Baby, take all the time, yeah.